Hi, hello everyone, my name's Mimi and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how I refresh these curls when I do not have time to rewash my hair. This week is going to be extremely hectic with various activities and things, and I will absolutely not have time to make this look good with a complete wash and restyle. So I'm going to show you the products I use and how I use them to make this look like it's fresh again. So please keep watching if you want to know what I do. Okay, so to refresh my hair, I use 3 products. I use a moisturizing conditioning spray like this one. This is the one I'm using today. There's a couple that I use. This is the Mixed Chicks Base Coat, and I wet my hair to reactivate the products that are already on it. And because I can't for the life of me figure out how to use this spray bottle that comes with the Mixed Chicks Base Coat, I put it in this continuous spray bottle, and I will saturate my hair with this product to re-moisturize it and to activate whatever is already in my hair. Once that's done, I go in with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mousse. So let's get started making my hair look better. So I love using a continuous spray bottle. Even if I could get that nozzle to figure out how to use that nozzle, I'd probably still put it in this to reactivate and wet my hair. And I like this because it's extremely moisturizing, and I even use it in between, in the morning, in between washes. And now that that's done and it's nice and wet, I'm gonna go over everything with this mousse. This has a light hold, and it just scrunch it in to reactivate and reset my curls. And the reason I scrunch it in is because I don't want to brush it through. My curls are very, very delicate, and when I brush product through my hair, it will disturb the curl pattern that I have and make everything frizzy. But as you can see, the curls are already popping back. And because the back of my head loses the most definition, I'm going to go over that again with more of this. And this is just to reactivate the curls. It's not to redo everything. And now I'm going to pick it to add volume because it's flat. I like a lot of volume. I also like a part because without the part, I look like a helmet. So the part is good. So I'm going to pick it up now that it's wet. All over. And right here, give it a shape. Pull it down somewhat around my ears because I like that curly, messy look. And that is how I reactivate my curls. I hope this helps you with your short curly hair. These steps will also work with long curly hair. Previously, my hair was really, really long and I miss it. And I'm taking really good care of my curls because I want it to be long again. I like it short. I may just go have it shaped into a nice, a better, more flattering shape for me, this length, because I do like it this way, but I also miss the versatility of long hair. You can pin long hair up, you can braid long hair, you can do a lot more with long hair than you can with short. Even though I think short hair like this is easier to keep, I still miss my long hair. And this is the easiest way to keep my hair in its curly condition, long or short. And if you liked my tutorial, please give me a 2 thumbs up and subscribe. And if you didn't, give me a thumbs down and tell me how I can improve. My name's Mimi, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.